Cybercrime costs communities trillions annually. To protect data, assets, and your reputation, you need proven security methods to prevent unauthorized access to accounts and sensitive information, verify legitimate users, and protect digital transactions. Digital Elements' Net Acuity IP intelligence and geolocation data provides accurate and reliable information about online users in a privacy-sensitive way. Our IP intelligence includes location, connection type, proxy data, and more. With Digital Elements' trusted data, you can prevent online fraud by determining which transactions to review and which to process, flagging account access from unusual or high fraud areas, identifying proxies used to hide online identities, detecting unusual usage or access patterns, and remaining invisible to end users. See how Digital Elements IP intelligence data can help prevent cybercrime today at www.digitalelement.com/IPGeoleader.